The Galaxy S23 Ultra can capture epic details with professional-grade quality. It's the most advanced camera ever on a Galaxy device. And with the cameras on the Galaxy S23 series, you'll be able to capture and share pro-grade content too.
When we create memories, we often rely on our smartphones to preserve those moments. That means the quality of our camera is super important. With Super HDR, you can capture a wider range of light and dark tones in your videos with more accurate colors. The cameras combine readings from both low and high ISO to produce high-quality images with a wider 12-bit dynamic range spectrum of colors. This means that your footage will depict light and dark areas more accurately, thanks to the 1.5 times increase in full well capacity. With this model's processor, you can now film in 8K at 30 frames per second with a wider angle for a more cinematic feel. The Galaxy S23 Ultra packs 200 million pixels in the main wide camera. That means you can even capture details of the background in your images. These pixels transform based on lighting conditions with our new adaptive pixel sensor.
So whether you're just beginning to explore content creation or you're a professional filmmaker, the cameras on the Galaxy S23 series help you capture photos and videos in epic detail. To bring the shots they envision to life, Pro Video Mode gave our directors the ability to meticulously change their camera settings for focus, white balance, ISO, and more. And with Clean Preview, they were able to remove the UX when monitoring takes, which means they could frame every shot with ease. This is a new feature added to Camera Assistant, our app that allows you to choose and adjust a range of camera settings, from activating a faster shutter to auto lens switching. Astro Hyperlapse allows everyday users to capture the starry night sky with professional quality. And with Expert RAW, users can get detailed metadata for more creative control.
The Galaxy S23 Ultra delivers pro-grade camera experiences that let you capture life as you see it. We introduced Nightography last year to help you take crisp and clear photos in low light. And this year, we're taking that power to the next level, so you can capture striking footage with vivid colors even at night. To showcase its capabilities, the esteemed and award-winning director, Na Hong Jin, created a film using the Galaxy S23 Ultra.
Thanks, Drew. The Galaxy S23 Ultra takes the innovation of nightography to the next level. As you just saw, it has the power to bring the details of that ominous night to life. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is designed to tackle these challenges and help you capture pro-grade videos. Optical Image Stabilization, or OIS, is a technology that helps increase the steadiness of your footage. It adjusts the lens in the opposite direction of motion detected while filming. On the Galaxy S23 Ultra, we've doubled OIS's capabilities to increase the area in which motion can be offset. This OIS hardware works alongside adaptive VDIS to analyze and subdivide your movements and to recognize light conditions around you. A dedicated new image processing algorithm separates noise and details by performing multi-frame processing with AI, which combines multiple images across frames to reduce noise. With our improved night solution, the image sensors on the Galaxy S23 series work to minimize visual noise. And an AI-powered ISP algorithm enhances object details and color tone. This makes snapping a photo at night easier. And for portraits, AI Stereo Depth Map is able to detect individual objects. It can even separate a person's glasses from the background of your photo.
The Galaxy S23 series has powerful battery while maintaining the smartphone's compact form. The Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus have 3,900 milliamps and 4,700 milliamps, respectively. And for the S23 Ultra, we've maintained the 5,000 milliamp battery without increasing the device's size, even with the larger camera. We've improved the cooling system on the Galaxy S23 series, so your smartphone can regulate its temperature while maintaining powerful performance. The vapor chamber is central to this process and is now larger than before. So you can game or stream music and videos for even longer. As part of our commitment to open innovation, we've worked closely with our partners at Qualcomm to optimize the Galaxy experience with the brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy. It's the most powerful and efficient platform ever in a Galaxy smartphone, and it's the fastest Snapdragon ever. The newly designed CPU microarchitecture boosts the processing abilities of the Galaxy S23 series by about 30% compared to last year. The CPU has 8 cores, 5 dedicated to high performance, and 3 for high efficiency, bringing you a difference you can feel with enhanced multi-core performance. And this year, the most significant improvement is the optimized GPU, which is approximately 41% faster and designed for power users. The GPU architecture has been enhanced for performance and efficiency, giving the Galaxy S23 series the ability to create graphics that can only be described as epic.
Our new GPU also enables a ray tracing module that makes your gaming experience more immersive and lifelike. Here, you can see 2 sets of gameplay. On the right, you can see the visuals enhanced by ray tracing. Look at the lights and reflections. The in-game lighting, reflections, and shadows are even more realistic, so you get a PC-like gaming experience. And now, gaming outdoors is even better. The entire Galaxy S23 series, Base Plus and Ultra, now features screens with a peak brightness of 1750 nits. Our intelligent display adapts to the lighting of your environment and helps you see your screen clearly with 3 levels of brightness and color adjustments. To take the gaming experience even further, we continue to work with game studios, publishers, and game engine companies to optimize performance.
Your phone should reflect who you are from the outside in. With One UI, you can truly make your smartphone your own by selecting up to 15 photos and videos of your favorite memories for your lock screen. Every part of the lock screen can be customized, so it looks and feels how you want it to. Smart Suggestions helps you personalize your experience even further by recommending apps and actions when you'd usually use them. Like when you put in your Buds 2 Pro, Smart Suggestions will remember that you usually listen to Spotify and pull up a custom playlist.
Handwriting to text with the S Pen is supported in select Google apps, such as Chrome or YouTube. It's super helpful when it comes to quick searches and note-taking. It switches to text just like that.
The Galaxy S23 series will come with One UI 5.1, and we're excited to announce that One UI 5.1 will be rolling out to more Galaxy devices soon. With Nightography, a high-res camera, and powerful performance, the Galaxy S23 series delivers our most advanced mobile experience yet. Pricing starts at $799, with the S23 Plus at $999, and the S23 Ultra at $1,199. The S22 will be available in the US starting at $699.